Hi guys, I'm Chef Margaret, and today I'm making salmon with lemon dill in our TurboBlaze air fryer. And to get started, we're gonna preheat the air fryer. I've already got the crisper plate inside the basket, and we're going to preheat to 365, get that going. And I have a beautiful 12-ounce piece of salmon. It's perfect for feeding 2 people. And I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. In here, I have a bowl of some olive oil, and I'm gonna add some fresh dill that I chopped. I've got 1 garlic clove, and I'm just gonna grate it directly into the bowl. Try not to grate your finger. I'm going to add 1 lemon, and I'm gonna zest the whole thing. We're actually gonna use the entire lemon for this recipe. And so if I'm ever using the juice, I love to use the zest. It has so much flavor. It's gonna make the salmon really lemony. Mix it all together so I have like a really yummy paste right here. It smells so good. I'm gonna put it on top of the salmon and just spread it all over. And then this lemon, I'm gonna slice half of it. We're going to cook the salmon on top of the lemon slices, and it's going to kind of perfume the salmon in the air fryer, and then they're also gonna get really crispy and delicious when cooking. The remaining half, we're gonna squeeze on top of the cooked salmon for some extra bright, fresh lemon flavor. All right, the air fryer is nice and hot. I'm going to put the 4 slices of lemon down. You can already start to hear them sizzle. And then I'm gonna place my salmon right on top. And then this is gonna cook at 365 for 12 minutes. And there we go. 12 minutes is gonna get you medium rare doneness. Some people like their salmon cooked more medium well, and then you can just add a couple more minutes. And I'll see you back in 12 minutes. All right, the salmon is done. Let's see, it looks beautiful, and the garlic got caramelized but didn't burn. So I'm gonna scoop it out onto my plate. Ooh. And you can see how the lemon slices got a little bit caramelized. You can eat them as is. You can like squeeze a little bit over the salmon. And then I have this other half of the lemon that I'm going to squeeze also right over the top. And then I have a little bit of like a side salad here, which is great to serve the salmon with. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on that as well. I also love to serve this with some rice and veggies or a little bit of pasta. It makes like a great complete meal. I'm going to let the salmon rest for a couple minutes, and then we'll dig into it. All right, let's dig into the salmon. Oh yeah, it's so buttery and soft. Do you see that? It just flakes so easily. Really moist and delicious. This is really good. Salmon turned out so delicious. I love how the TurboBlaze gets the outside really crispy, but keeps the inside really moist and tender and buttery. You can find all the ingredient list and the directions in the link below, so you can find the recipe. Go ahead and make it. Let us know in the comments what other type of recipes you guys want to see, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.